Hello friends, this is Ankush Bhat with Catia tutorial number 26. In this tutorial, we will learn about the Groove tool. On the left hand side, we have Catia V5 window, and on the right hand side, we have step-by-step instructions for the tutorial which you can write down. So this is the part workbench and these are the part tools on the right interface, and here at the top interface this is the Groove tool here, and this is the shaft tool, pocket tool and the pad tool which we learned in our previous videos. Moving on towards to the Groove tool. Groove tool operates similarly as the shaft tool, but the only difference is that Groove tool is used to remove material from the 3D object, or we can say it is used to cut the material from the 3D object. Groove tool is used to create a groove with the help of a profile sketch, and it helps us to revolve the profile sketch along the reference line. So let's see how Groove tool works. Let's create a sketch on this surface. Select the surface, go to the sketcher tool. Let's create a rectangle. So as we have to make a rectangular groove, so we will form a rectangle profile here. Let's exit the workbench. So select the Groove tool, give the reference as I am giving the reference as this line, or I can give the reference as this line. So let's give reference as this line. So let us preview, as here we have given the axis, here the axis as this line, the reference line as axis. Now let's preview it. So we can see that it has revolved the profile around the axis and has cut a groove along that axis. So we can see here, but let's study out some cases of the references. As in our shaft tool, we have studied about three type of references. One, the reference which belongs to the sketch or which belongs to the profile, as we did in this case. Another reference can be taken as the axis, or the third reference can be taken as the axis line. So let us just study about second type of reference. Let's select the Groove tool. Now let's take the reference as this axis. So we can see it has just revolved the profile along this axis and have cut a groove. Let's preview it. We can preview that we have cut a groove along that reference axis, along this reference axis. This is the second type of reference. Here we can just use thick profile to just create a thick groove. Let's preview it. So we can see we have created a thick groove here by providing thickness 1 and thickness 2 in this block in thin groove options. Now let us work on the third type of reference. Just double click on the sketch to give the reference. Select the axis line. Just give the reference as this axis, or we can just give the reference here as this axis. We can draw the axis line here. So in this type of reference, we don't need to select the reference here. By just clicking onto the groove, it will create a groove along that reference, along that axis which we had sketched. We can preview it. So we can see we have created a groove along that reference axis line. Now we can provide the first angle and the second angle. First angle is the limit first angle, and second angle, as we can see by decreasing it, we are just decreasing the limit first, and by decreasing the second angle we are decreasing the limit 2 here. And we studied by thick profile, we will get the thick profile here. We can preview it. We can see we have got a thick profile inside it, and let's click OK. So we can see here we have created a groove and a thick profile here. So this is how the Groove tool works and the three type of references work. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.